This touring bike features a built-in folding chair, table, and cot. If you want to stay updated on the latest in the world of startups, innovation, and technology, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. The bike's frame is designed to perform everything from sitting, cooking, working, resting, or even sleeping. The circular frame of the Cercle bike holds the foldable daybed stands in the middle. The frame can be oriented for multiple functionalities. For example, for sleeping in the nighttime, or as a chair for a comfortable working position, or a lounger in a picturesque location. When it is time to hit the road, the lounge stand folds up to become a part of the bicycle frame for hassle-free pedaling. You can pitch a one-person tent around the bicycle frame for protection against the elements and nighttime cold weather. On the front and rear of the bicycle, you can mount all your essentials in small backpacks for an adventurous bike tour like none other. The Cercle was designed by Bernard Sabata, who has now created version 2 of the bike. Ultimately, he'd like to open a small factory where several Cercle bikes per year are hand-built to client specifications. If you like the video, please hit the like button and share the video. Let us know your thoughts on the video in the comments section below.